Hello crafty friends, Diane with Bean Street Paper here, and today I just wanted to do a haul for you. I just got my delivery from cutcardstock.com. Now if you haven't checked out cutcardstock.com, you totally should. They have awesome envelopes, all kinds of cardstock, and if you buy $59 worth of stuff, they ship it for $5. So this huge box, look at how big this box is. Here's a pair of scissors. Was $59. I'm sorry, it was $5 to ship. I think it was like $63. But they also have a ton of $1.99 deals. So let me show you what I got. I got on there to get number 10 envelopes because I made a few long and skinny cards, and then of course I always have to get in their $1.99 section and see what they have. So here is what I got. Needless to say, I found lots of treasures, lots and lots and lots of treasures. They always give you a little handwritten note, personally handwritten note, which is always super cute. Sorry, I'm trying to hold my phone with one hand and open the box with the other. So there's a personalized handwritten note, and then they always include a business card and a couple little extra things. And a notepad, because you never have enough notepads, right? Okay. So this is what I went for. I went for these number 10 envelopes so I can make the long skinny cards. And these were actually in the $1.99 section. They're basil envelopes. They were, there's 52 a pack, and they were $1.99 a piece. So I got 5 packs. And you know basil is always good quality. They're square flaps instead of pointy. I know there's a word for that, but I don't know what it is right now. Okay, so that's that. Then also in the dollar. In fact, I don't think I purchased anything. Yes, these were not $1.99. These watercolor pads. I think these are super cool. So these are called Paintables. They're from Prima. And let me see if I can get this open with one hand. They are printed watercolor paper. So let me just show you real quick. I can't get it open with one hand. They're printed and you can watercolor them. So I'm totally gonna have some fun with that later on this evening. I got 2 of those. Those were the only thing I purchased that wasn't $1.99. And then I went in their cardstock clearance section and bought several different colors of this cardstock. Now, this cardstock is 8.5 by 11 cardstock. It's 20 sheets of cardstock, and they're all 80-pound cover. They are Martha Stewart cardstock, and they have the sticker on the back. Now, I have read some reviews that say you can't take the sticker off without it tearing the paper, but just use the other side and don't take the sticker off. I don't understand what the big deal is about that, but that's what I'm gonna do anyway. It's 80-pound cardstock. It's really thick, nice cardstock, and it was $1.99 a package. So let me show you what I got. I got this is called Raspberry Ice. It's a nice hot pink color. I got 3 of those. I got a pack of Sandcastle, which is not really craft, it's like a light tan. It's also Martha Stewart. All of it's Martha Stewart, I think. Actually, I think I got 2 packs of that color. Yeah, here's the other one. Nope. Nope. I thought I got, oh, here it is. Okay. Here's the other pack of Sandcastle. So I got 2 packs of Sandcastle. I got 3 packs of this, it's called Twine. It's a nice thick craft. And the thing I like about this is, I don't know if you guys notice this, but sometimes when you buy craft cardstock, it curls. This is nice flat cardstock. I got 3 packs of that. This yellow is called Chamomile. I'm looking to see how many packs I got. I don't know. I think I got 1 because yellow's not my favorite color. But I thought, well, it's almost sunflower season, so that would be awesome. This is called Blue Calico. It is a really pretty blue, like a light blue color. Now, the description on the website says it's imperfect. I don't see any imperfections. Maybe it's not cut exactly square. I guess I'll find out when I cut it. But again, it's that same nice thick Martha Stewart cardstock. So I got 2 packs of that. I got 2 packs of Wild Blueberry, which is a nice dark blue. I got 2 packs of Dolphin, which is a nice light gray. So I'm excited about that because that's a very manly, masculine card color. I got 2 packs of Red Wagon, a nice bright red. And I got, because I love this color, 3 packs of Granny Smith, which is a super bright Granny Apple Green. It's a little darker than the one from Stampin' Up. But I like it. So let me put this all together. This whole stack of goodies from Cut Cardstock is what I got. Okay, so there's the pack. And I paid $59.73, not including the $5 shipping, for all of this cardstock and these envelopes and these 2 little things that I threw in for my extra special self. And I think I'm going to go back and get some more of this Twine craft cardstock because I love to use craft cardstock. I just don't do it often. Okay, so if you haven't checked out Cut Cardstock, I really suggest that you check out their discount section. And again, it's a family-owned company. I have no problems with this paper having a sticker. Look, so here's what's going to happen. The stickers are all placed nicely on the cardstock. So I do 1/8 inch. My mat is 1/8 of an inch. So I think I can cover that if I want to use this side as a card base and get my 2 A2 card bases from an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. However, if I can't, I will use one side as a card base and then I'll use this side for mats and tags and things like that. So, I mean, for $1.99 for 20 sheets of cardstock, I think that's a great deal. So check them out, you guys, cutcardstock.com. Have a great day. Stay crafty, my friends.